Heard thy voice for a second. It keeps me silent for the rest of my life. Travel miles with the silence. My tears I dry out day and night. My eyes become blind. You never know how hard it was to find a way back home. I lost my strength to keep my feet. I lost my voice to whisper. I lost my tears to shoulder in my pain. My eyes became blind. You never know how hard it was to find a way back home. Let it go day by day. Let it make holes in my faith. Let it take away all my sweet moments. It left me with eternal smiling face. That's my keep silence for the rest of my life. He's whispering with that silence. I can't listen to sound of his silence. One day I saw him as a shining star. Keep smiling with his sound of silence.